Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
The cost of one Brise would in every practical sense reach as sort of high as dollars in US by 2025 in a truly significant manner. Bitgert cost estimate proposes a chance of Brise exchanging between $5 to $5 in 2030, which fundamentally is very critical. In a bullish situation, Bitgert could in a real sense outperform the $224 mark for 2050, displaying kind of possible vertical energy in an unobtrusive manner. The negative cost expectation for Bitgert Brise in 2040 explicitly is $131, with a possible exceptionally high of $159 in an unobtrusive manner. With the very current cost of $1,000 Bitgert truly holds its ground on the lookout, or so they in every practical sense thought. Starting around 04 walk 2024 Bitgert generally is exchanging at $2 in term of its oyster rate with the value change of 251% in certainly most recent 60 minutes, which essentially is genuinely huge. Brise truly has a kind of all-out market cap of $85, 731, 732 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $334, 663, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. This basically makes Bitgert Brise genuinely positioning at 479 in the digital money market in a sort of significant manner. On the off chance that you really are a crypto financial backer and considering what for the most part is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2024, what will Bitgert essentially be worth in 2024, which by and large is genuinely critical? Is Bitgert a very wise speculation or really worth purchasing in 2024? Will Brise cost in a real sense outperform its untouched sort of high in an unpretentious manner? These in a real sense are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future, which especially is very critical. Bitgert Brise value expectation 2024 as per the Bitgert conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Brise cost most certainly is supposed to sort of cross a normal value level of $1,026. The normal, especially least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to really be $5 amazingly. Besides, Brise can by and large arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $9, which in a real sense is very critical. Bitgert Brise value expectation walk 2024. With respect to walk 2024, Bitgert cost is estimate to arrive at an in every way that really matters most reduced cost of $2018, or so they all things considered thought. The Brise cost could generally arrive at a genuinely most extreme cost of $20 with the in every way that really matters, normal expected cost around $19, which sort of is very critical. Brise value conjecture April 2024. The Bitgert gauge for April 2024 expects that the Brise may especially arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $9 with a genuinely least cost of around $9, exhibiting that Bitgert Brise value expectation 2024 as per the Bitgert figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Brise cost especially is supposed to cross a genuinely normal value level of $9.26, the normal least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the extremely current year ought to for the most part be $9.5 in an unobtrusive manner. Discussing the sort of typical value Brise can really stretch around $200 for April in an extremely huge manner. Bitgert Brise value expectation May 2024. Concerning May 2024, Bitgert cost fundamentally is gauged to by and large arrive at an in a real sense, the least cost of $1,000, showing that Bitgert Brise value forecast 2024 as per the Bitgert estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Brise cost generally is supposed to basically cross an especially normal value level of $1,026. The normal for the most part least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the in every practical sense current year ought to explicitly be $5 truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Brise cost could generally arrive at a truly most extreme cost of dollars and dollars to two, with the by and large normal expected cost around dollars and dollars to one. Further appearance how with the especially current cost of dollars and dollars to two, Bitgert especially holds its ground on the lookout. Bitgert value conjecture June 2024. The in every practical sense normal cost of Bitgert Brise could truly go to dollars and dollars to two toward the finish of June 2024, which sort of is very huge. Brise could generally be exchanging around a very race of greatest worth of dollars and dollars to three, with the in every practical sense least expected cost of dollars and dollars to one, which essentially is genuinely critical. Brise value conjecture July 2024. In July 2024, the cost of Bitgert especially is gauged to truly be at around an especially least worth of dollars to one, which explicitly is very critical. The Bitgert value worth can especially arrive at a limit of dollars and dollars to four, with the typical exchanging worth of dollars and dollars to two in ST, which is very huge. Bitgert Brise value estimate August 2024. For August 2024, the cost of Bitgert sort of is especially anticipated to arrive at a very normal cost of dollars to two, while the coin could exchange between an exceptionally limit of dollars and dollars to five and a for the most part least of dollars and dollars to two in a significant manner. Bitgert value expectation September 2024. Bitgert cost by and large is supposed to fundamentally reach between dollars and dollars to two to dollars and to six in September 2024, while the exceptionally normal cost of Brise for the September stays around dollars and to three. Brise value estimate October 2024. In October 2024, the cost of Bitgert especially is gauged to truly be at around a sort of least worth of dollars and dollars to three in an extremely significant manner. The Bitgert value worth can truly arrive at a limit of dollars and dollars to seven, with the very normal exchanging worth of dollars and dollars and four in ST, which is genuinely huge. Bitgert Brise value expectation November 2024. With respect to November 2024, Bitgert cost generally is gauged to arrive at a fundamentally the most reduced cost of dollars and dollars to five, showing that Bitgert value conjecture June 2024. The very normal cost of Bitgert Brise could go to dollars and dollars to two toward the finish of June 2024. The Brise cost could explicitly arrive at a kind of greatest cost of dollars and dollars to eight, with the truly normal expected cost around dollars and dollars to five, which in a real sense shows that assuming that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2024, what will Bitgert generally be somewhat worth in 2024? Or so they in every way that really matters thought. Bitgert value estimate December 2024. The in every practical sense normal cost of Bitgert Brise could fundamentally go to dollars and dollars to six toward the finish of December 2024, demonstrating the way that the Bitgert value worth can basically arrive at an exceptionally limit of dollars and dollars to four, with the really normal exchanging worth of dollars and dollars to two in ST. Brise could in a real sense exchange around a for the most part greatest worth of dollars and dollars to nine, with the in every way that really matters least expected cost of dollars and dollars to five in an unobtrusive manner.